What exactly is a chiropractic adjustment? Abnormal stress from everyday activities can cause the spine to develop a dysfunction. This dysfunction results in a lack of motion and mobility. It can lead to some major health complications, like degenerative arthritis and chronic headaches. A chiropractic adjustment targets specific and mobile joints and restores motion back into the spine. So don't wait until you're in pain to take action. Schedule an appointment today and put your health first.